Traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another technical analysis candlestick chart online trading video. Yes, we have weekend at OTC market. It's not available for European traders like me, and so I'm using this time to try to show you and to explain those kind of trades which I have done much more in detail, much more focusing on technical analysis and candlestick pattern and candlestick chart analysis and price action. So all my trades and all the things which I'm doing here since the last month are based on those things which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free. You find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, and much more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You find the link in the description, and in the description we'll find also the link to the Facebook group. So and yes, and now let's start immediately because we don't waste time. And here is that kind of video I have already done. Here is the first trade. Yes, and you see, yes, at the beginning there was the intro where I have explained the ebook, so I have to switch this because I don't want to show you this again. And I entered in this kind of trade here because of yes, of a retracement and the pullback, a fake breakout of the 50 EMA. So to the market condition, you see here, it's nearly the same market condition like this one which I have done before. You see here a Bollinger Squeeze. We have here a trend channel. Yes, this is a trend channel. And price is going to break out of this trend channel after the 50 EMA got flagged. We got here a fake breakout, yes, and a pre-long fake breakout. Here we got an engulfing candle, yes, and it's nearly a ranging market now. Yes, you see here it's a trade range. This is a trade range here, and in between is my market price is moving. Yes, you see the 50 EMA, the 20 EMA is getting steeper. Yes, but here it's going now flat because we got here into a pullback of the 50 EMA fake breakout. Engulfing candle downtrend is starting, and because this candle got down to this level here, which is a support and resistance level, and broke through this without getting a rejection, I entered into a put. And also, if this was a late entry, yes, it was still in the money because price broke here through this support and resistance level, yes, easily, yes, after this pullback. You will see such kind of scenario, such kind of pullbacks and fake breakouts of EMAs often, yes. So memorize this kind of trading setup, yes. You have to focus on the EMAs. If you get this kind of behavior, you can expect that the trend after this will be as strong as double bottom, double top, or triple bottom, triple top, or engulfing candle, because you see it's also an engulfing candle, and this is a nice fake breakout which shows there is selling pressure coming in here, yes. And this huge candle is showing me here in this kind of scenario that price will go down further because we broke with this candlestick this kind of neckline of this area, yes, this horizontal support and resistance level. And you see here resistance, 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 support. Yes, that is. And as this candle broke through this support level, this will be now resistance, yes. And that is the change of polarity, which I have explained in so many live trading videos and in so many deep explanation videos about major support and resistance and minor support and resistance. Watch those videos, watch these things which I have explained in the ebook if you do not understand those kind of things. So, okay, so if I will do play here, and as soon I will enter into a trade, I will stop the video to show you more in detail why I took a trade. Yes, you have seen we got here, let me put this here back. So you see here in the overview, yes, here in the overview you see how we got here a downtrend. Yes, this is a strong downtrend, and this strong downtrend got here a bullish, a bearish flag. Yes, this is a bearish flag because it goes up. And then, because we have here still a downtrend, you see the 200 EMA and the 100 EMA, and this fake breakout of the 50 EMA, you can expect that we are getting here in a continuation of this downtrend if you watch this on higher time frame. Yes, that is what the key is. Yes, this is a downtrend on higher time frame, and that was only a retracement of this major downtrend. So okay, that was only that what I want to show you. So let's wait till price. Okay, I entered into a put. Yes, I entered into a put because I understood that we are getting now this kind of pullback, and after price got back to this support and resistance level, which I have shown you, and I have explained to you what happens to this level. This level got now resistance level, and that was the reason why I entered here into a put at this high, because I am expecting now that after this candle here, this bearish, strong bearish candle broke through this, the trend, Miller trend is going down too, because we got here an engulfing candle and a downtrend, and that was the reason why I entered there into a put, expecting that price will continue to going down, because this area is acting now like a resistance area. Yes, and you see price is going down exactly because, and you see I'm explaining there also that all EMAs are pointing down. Yes, and that was the reason why I entered there. And that is what's important, is if you know the direction of the trend, you can use support and resistance level to your favor. You can use the support, the resistance level, put option on resistance level in a downtrend, and call option on support in an uptrend. And that is nothing else like a put option on resistance in a downtrend. Yes, and okay, you see the market is, in the last second, price was pushed down below the 20 EMA, and that is what often I get asked, how to recognize a reversal from a retracement, and who will do here in this kind of scenario a call? No one, because this candle broke this support and resistance level. This candle got a rejection, yes, from the support and resistance level. The only option which you have here is to do a put, a trend continuation, and that is what I have done here in this kind of scenario. I have done this kind of put because I was expecting a trend continuation after this engulfing candle. These dojis are getting here the confirmation that the trend is still active. This candle was pushed in the last second of the expiration time below the 20 EMA, and that was evidences enough. Yes, also the rejection here from this level and the halfway on this kind of support and resistance, that was enough to get the understanding that the trend will go down further. Market was doing some kind of panic here, but you see at the end, price is pushing down, doing exactly that what I was expecting. Yes, because the trend was down. We got a rejection from the support and resistance level. Yes, and this candlestick here was a bearish, huge bearish candle, which showed that price would go down further. So that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.